Hi everyone, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Today I wanted to share with you a haul of ribbon that I got from Costco. And I'm going to insert some pictures here of the price and also the various options that they had available in the store. And a couple of them had to dig for to find, but I will show you what I was able to pick up in just a second. So as you can see, the ribbon is very well priced. As I've mentioned before, Costco ribbon comes in spools of 50 yards and you get that for the price. I think it was $5.99, but you will have seen it. I took a picture of the price tag. And they had a variety of options for both fall and winter decorating. And I was so excited because I've been looking the last few times I've gone to Costco and they haven't had any ribbon. And then I went with my husband this morning and lo and behold, right as I was telling him I was looking for it, he spotted it on one of the end caps. So keep your eye out for it if you have a Costco near you. And I'm going to show you the things that I picked up for fall. This ribbon is the one that really is the most fall. Obviously it has the leaves on it. It has a burlap background with the fall colored leaves and then this gold sparkly swirl stems and then the edging on the burlap. And you can see 50 yards. And then I got some coordinating ribbon that, you know, you could use this all year round. It doesn't just have to be for fall, but it definitely has fall colors. And it goes nicely with this leaf ribbon. And then I got one more, and this really could be used any time of the year. It has more of a burlap background, but then it has these gold sparkly polka dots. So that's appropriate for birthdays, Christmas, Thanksgiving, any time of the year. And it also goes nicely with those other two ribbons, as you can see. Then these others are definitely holiday looking, but not necessarily Christmas. They had this beautiful peacock ribbon, as you can see here, with the blues and the golds. Just really, really pretty. It doesn't have any purple in it though, like some peacock does. And then they had this teal colored ribbon with these emerald green, they're very shiny, they're not glittery, but they're shiny polka dots on it, and the ribbon's kind of crinkly. And that goes very well with the peacock ribbon. Sometimes we do a jewel tone Christmas tree, and if we decide to do that this year, this will go nicely, but I also have some blues in my bonus room upstairs where it would also go nicely for some of that decorating. And now these next two are fun. They're definitely Christmassy, although one of them you could probably use for Valentine's Day as well, or even maybe a patriotic holiday. But I will start with the one that's definitely Christmassy, and it's this one. And it's a sheer white ribbon with lots of different sparkly polka dots. A lime green, more of an emerald green, and then the bright Christmas red color. And some of them are showing through. It's not layered like that on top of one another, but the ribbon is sheer, so you're seeing some of the layers beneath it. And then the very last one that I picked up is this candy cane stripe, and this one has silver on the edging, as does this one. The others all had gold edging on them, I believe. Yes. Even the blue ones had gold, but these both have silver edging on them. And then this one has the sparkly diagonal silver and red stripes with some white detailing in between them. And it's also a sheer ribbon. So that's what I picked up. I went a little overboard, I think, but I've mentioned this before. One of our cats, the tortoiseshell one named Topaz, she likes to eat curly ribbon. So we cannot put any kind of curly ribbon or the flat ribbon that's similar to curly ribbon on our packages because she just will chew that to pieces. So I definitely need to have fabric ribbon for the holidays so that she will not eat it. And then our other cat, Teddy, the one who's very fluffy, he likes to eat fake greenery, like Christmas tree greenery. So I always have to be very careful of where I put that sort of greenery in my house so that he won't eat it. So we have one cat chewing on curly ribbon and the other chewing on Christmas tree greenery. So let me know in the comments down below if you have any animals that like to eat ribbon or greenery. I've never heard of this before, but maybe there are some of them out there. So let me know. If you love ribbon, get yourself over to Costco as soon as you can so you can pick up some of these ribbons before they're gone. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. That really helps me out and lets YouTube know that you do like my content. And also, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. I post several videos a week on how to creatively manage and decorate your home, including haul videos like this, and I also have a series I call Tablescape Tuesdays where I show you various tablescapes that I've created. I thank you for joining me. I really appreciate your watching, and I look forward to seeing all of you next time. Bye-bye.